these guys' stats. They're so similar, let's be honest. They have 93 pace each. Messi's a little bit better at dribbling and not so good at shooting, but he's also got better passing, and Ronaldo's more physical. Right, so first up, let's talk a little bit about Messi. Let's not beat around the bush here, people. Messi in previous FIFA has been so underwhelming and just a bag of crap. But this year, EA have done their absolute best to make sure their bum boy is actually good in this game. And boy, has it worked, because pace and dribbling are one of the two biggest things in this game, and Messi certainly has that. You guys may have seen my cheat code video where I talk a lot about Messi, and he really is just ridiculously good in this game. You can fly past defenders like they're nothing. He makes good runs, he gets in good positions, and that's exactly what you want as a striker. Of course, Messi is a striker, and that's one of the big differences against Ronaldo. I mean, look at that. This is from kickoff, people. That goal was from kickoff. Now put your dick back in your pants and enjoy the rest of the video, because Messi scores some really nice goals, but the biggest thing about Messi isn't that he scores a crap ton of goals. I mean, that's just a bonus, but it's the fact that he assists a lot too. He's really good when it comes to assisting goals. He's always getting in the right positions, and Aguero has scored his fair share, and that's his strike partner that I like to play with him, and they both do awesome work up front. Another thing is, Messi's free kicks are just magical. Take a look at that. Over the top, boom, keeper has no chance. So Messi this year for me is just so much better than he has been. But of course, we all know Ronaldo. Ronaldo is a little bit more expensive. He goes for a little bit more. Messi at the moment of this video goes for around 1.7 million, which is expensive. But look at that, like, he's a ghost. He runs through everyone. But now we got to talk about Ronaldo. Let's talk a little bit about him. Ronaldo in this game, of course, as expected, is a monster. And you really would hope that if you're going to be shelling out over 2 million coins for the guy, that's what he's currently going for at the moment. But this playboy is just a monster. He's so good at this game, and as you can see, he makes some fantastic runs. But the one big downside about Ronaldo, and I'm sure you guys are well aware of this, is the fact that he is on the left. He's not a striker, so of course you have to play formations that you might necessarily not like, and for me, he doesn't get involved in the game as much as Messi does, and that's purely because of his position. I play him as a left forward in a 4-3-2-1, because I found if you play him 4-2-3 and you play him as a left wing, then you're actually hardly going to get anything out of him. He's often lost out on the wing. So I played him in a 4-3-2-1 as a left forward, and my god, he runs riot up there. He doesn't really stick to his position, and that's exactly what you want, because you want Ronaldo on the ball as much as possible. Now, like I said earlier, Messi is definitely more of a team player. He gets the ball to his teammates, and he just does a fantastic job of it. But my goal scoring record with Ronaldo is just absolute filth. This guy is a monster. But that's not everything about a player. Like I said earlier, you want someone that's going to get the team a victory, not just Ronaldo a bunch of goals. But you guys can see by these score lines, like, there's some pretty hefty score lines, and Ronaldo is playing a big part in scoring a lot of these goals. Admittedly, sometimes you guys might question some of the defending here, and trust me, there was some very dodgy defending. But when you got a strike force of Ronaldo, Dos Santos, and Bale, it's hard to defend against that in a 4-3-2-1. But honestly, guys, this guy just mugs people off. You guys saw exactly what he did there. Defender had no chance. Ronaldo, fantastic dribbling, good physical, and he just bullies defenders. And that's the difference between him and Messi, really, is the fact that Ronaldo can actually put up against the defenders. A lot of the time, defenders will just push Messi over with their pinky, but that just doesn't happen with Ronaldo. Of course, Ronaldo also has 5-star skills, which makes him just that little bit more fun to play with, I suppose. That body feint right there, just, he sold the defender. But it's time to make a choice, people. It's time to decide which player is better than the other, and that is so hard to decide in this game, and I want you guys to decide down in the comments, Ronaldo or Messi. I'm going to give you my verdict. So if you could please have a drum roll. Messi! Lionel Messi, the boy. Now for me, this might be a little bit controversial, and don't get me wrong, guys, these guys are both monsters. They're both gonna do you wonders if you get your hands on them, but I want to know what you guys think to them. Who do you think would be the better player? Now understand, of course, they're both very expensive. We're still early on in the game, so a lot of you guys may not have the chance to play with them yet, but if you guys, just based on the gameplay and things you've seen and your own experiences in FIFA, who do you think better suits FIFA 15? For me, like I said, Messi is just amazing, but I tell you what, if Ronaldo was to have an inform and he would change to a striker, I think Ronaldo would be the best player in the game. I'm just putting that out there. And please, guys, keep your Messi, Ronaldo, real life wars to the side, because we're strictly talking FIFA here, boys. Hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you all later. Bye-bye. Oh, my God. Right, I'm going to open up this one with coins. I'm opening it up with coins. And then we're gonna open up with FIFA points. And then I'm gonna open it up with coins again. Oh, we get Vidic, okay. So now we're gonna open up with FIFA points. And then we're gonna go back to coins and see if that makes a difference, okay?